Hi, thanks for sharing your plan. I've got it open in my copy of Cheap Architect X8, which I believe is the big brother of what you have. I'm going to program this file so that you can continue to edit it when I post it back. It's fairly simple. I'm going to do, well, it's simple to a guy who's been using it as long as I have, put it that way. I'm going to do an overview camera and locate that. Good job on the model, by the way. Looks nice. Okay, now I'm going to hit shift on my keyboard, shift and F6 to toggle screens. Now on the plan view screen, let's see, where is that? Over here, I think. Let me check that. Just want to verify that I'm looking at what I think I'm looking at. Yeah, okay, that's it. So that's in this area here. In architectural, you just toggle up to the attic. I'm going to turn on the reference display. And so you can see the roof lines in red. And that wall, I'm just going to click on the wall and then drag it over to there. That should heal that up. Now, of course, you can see it behind the window, so that's not all that great. And you can't edit wall polylines like you can in Pro in architectural. Well, shoot. What I'm going to do is just fix it. I'm going to, in Home Designer Pro and in Cheap, I can just click on the wall polyline. You can't do this in architectural, but I'm going to grab the bottom edge of that wall polyline and reshape it so that it follows the slant of the roof. I think I'm going to check it from inside, make sure that I've got a real fix, and then I'll send the plan back to you. That wall ought to stay put. Let me go look in this direction, and we'll look up and see what it looks like. Doesn't look like it's totally. It's better than it was, but it's not a little ragged. Being Pro, you can just do what I'm doing here. I'm going to close that. See if I can close that gap. Now it pops back. If you want a nice vault here, I don't know if architectural has this tool or not, but I'm going to keep that camera open. And I'm going to use a tool called Build Roof Ceiling Plane. I don't know if architectural has this tool or not, but I do, so I'm going to use it. I'm going to click on the inside of the wall and drag a baseline for this ceiling plane. I'm going to snap it to the ridge of the roof. Let's see what that looks like. See, I cleaned it up a little bit. It's a little low. So again, you can't do this in architectural, but you can in Pro and Cheap. I'm going to use Transform Replicate and move that ceiling plane up 2 inches and see what it'll look like. No, that was too much. Okay. I'm going to move it back down. -1. You know, I guess where I had it was where it should have gone. -1. I moved it originally 2 inches. Okay. And then up here at the top, let's see. I can get a little better. Well, it's not perfect, but I think it's improved. Yeah. It doesn't look like it's symmetric from one side to the other. It's close, but I think you'll agree that it just looks better than it did inside and out. Let's take a look out here. Let's see, it's going to go up. Whoops, hit the wrong scroll bar. Oh, went back, huh? Oh, look at that. That wall polyline collapsed. Again, I'm sorry, but you can't do this in architectural. Be nice if you could, but it's not part of the abilities you paid for. That looks a little bit better. Let's see if I can turn around and look for the inside of whoops. That may be a little bit difficult. Yeah, there it is. Okay. Not perfect, but the model doesn't have to be perfect in order to get your remodeling or your house built. Because contractors don't use these 3D views. They're mainly for the wife and for you. But that's about what I can do with this, you know, in a short moment. Hope this helps you. I'm going to post the file and you can use it if you wish. I'm sorry about that, but there's something off in the model, I think, symmetrically. Okay. Have a good day in any case.